179 homes for sale at an average of 68 days on the market, compared to this week's 139 homes for sale at an average of 78 days. Rental inventory is up from last September. It's Friday, September 9th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Annapolis is seeing the same percentage of price adjustments as last September, but fewer contracts due to less buyer activity. Of the 139 homes on the market, these are priced between $239,000 and $5,980,000. 45% of these have made price adjustments. Let's look at what the Annapolis activity did this past week. 17 homes are coming soon, up 24% from last week. 17 homes came to the market since last week, falling 17%. 19 homes went under contract, down 16% this week. 14 homes are temporarily off, 36%. 6 homes went pending, down 60%. 36 homes sold in 10 days at 100% list-to-sold ratio, within 15 of them actually raising prices before selling. This could be due to demand or buyer multiple offers. The highest sale this past week was in Bimby Beach for $2,300,000. Rental inventory rose again this week to 34 homes for lease at $2,700, listed at an average of 17 days. Thinking about moving? I believe you should be confident about buying or selling a home, so call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, September 9th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week.